Welcome everyone. This is a short series on the app stack for Java, which is built to help rapidly deploy a Java application into the cloud. This is the final video in the series in which we'll go over the CI/CD component. We will also observe the provision resources such as the APM service, the container instance, and the DevOps project after. The image here in the middle shows the process that we will demonstrate. First, we will make a simple code change, and then we will commit our code and push our changes to GitHub. After mirror updates, a new build should trigger and publish a new image to the container registry. The deployment pipeline should trigger and finally replace the container instance with the new version. With that, let's go right ahead and look at our Visual Studio Code. All right, so here is our sample application. What we're going to do is make a simple change in our health check controller. I will just simply replace alive with healthy, and that should be it. Now let's make a commit. Updated health check controller. All right, now we are going to make a push, git push u, my fork. Now that we have pushed our changes, we can navigate back to our OCI console and go to the DevOps project that we have created. And here you will see under code repositories that our mirrored GitHub repository may not have sync yet. So what we can do is click on synchronize now. Once it has fully synchronized, we can navigate to our branch and we will see that it has the latest commit that we have just committed. There we go. Now what we want to do is to check our project again under build pipelines and to see if it has triggered. There we go. We can see that it is in progress. Here we can see that the build actually succeeded and that the trigger deployment was also triggered. And so if we navigate back to the deployment pipelines, it's still in the process of being triggered. Once it is done, we can see that it has successfully deployed the new image, the updated image into our container instances. So we can go check under developer services and container instances. Here we can see that as one of the work requests, our container instance was restarted. And with that, we can also navigate to the app itself. So here we'll open our application and we will see that our health check endpoint has an updated output. It is now returning I am healthy instead of I'm alive. Finally, let's take a look at our application performance monitoring. Let's navigate to the home page. And here we are looking at the sample app APM domain, which has been provisioned by our app stack for Java. Here we can see that there has been no error so far, but if we navigate back to our endpoint and go to to-do list where our database does not have the tables that we require, it should show this error page. And if we refresh, we should see that an error has occurred. All right, that is it. This is again the link to the app stack for Java's GitHub repository. Feel free to leave any questions and feedback you may have there. Thank you for watching.